Welcome in everyone. Today we're going to do a quick little video on how to keep your track clean and what to use on it and what not to use on it, because there are a few things that you really shouldn't use on your track. Track cleaning is pretty simple. There's a lot of videos out there on it, and everybody claims to know how to do it the best way. I don't think there is a best way. I just think there's ways you shouldn't do it. So I'm going to start out with showing you how you can do it. This is the way I do it. And it's very simple. So you want to get yourself one of these little drywall sanding blocks. They are foam inside, and then they have like a medium grit sandpaper on the outside. And you don't want to put any real pressure. Like when you all you're just going to do is run it down the rails a few times like that. Okay, that's all it really takes. And just enough to clean, the little bits of, corrosion or whatever, off the track. And then you just take a dry microfiber towel and you wipe it down. Now, as you can see, there's almost nothing even on there. Now, that might not be the end of the story here. Actually, there is another thing you could do. You can get one of these little handheld vacuums, and you can then take that over the rails to get out of, get the slots cleaned out inside, and that will do a really good job on that. Okay, so now this is controversial. Some people think that it's not a good idea to do this, but I think it all depends on how much you do it. It's like anything. Too much of a good thing is not good. What you can do is you can actually put just a little squirt of WD-40 on this. Don't soak it. Maybe get a little tiny bit on here, and then you can rub that on the track, okay? And that will, pick up any extra debris. And after you use that, then I would go over it with a paper towel and wipe that down really good. But that's about it. The only other things I want to say about the whole thing is don't use alcohol. Alcohol will dry out your track, and it will make it get what they call brittle enrichment, which means it'll make the track very brittle. It dries it out, and it's not good for it. The other thing you don't want to use for sure is you do not want to use water on it. Water will definitely rust your rails, and you really don't want to do that. But that's about it for the day. That is the video. It was 3 minutes and 6 seconds, so I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave some comments if you're willing to do that. That'd be great. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.